Hello guys, and welcome to this new Power BI tutorial. In this video, I'm going to create this YouTube dashboard that has been created using a number of titles and YouTube channels to perform some analytics. As you can see, we're going to create different KPIs. We have total views, around 12 billion views, average engagement percentage. We have the views per day, which is, as you can see, near 23K. We have the average like ratio, the average comment ratio, and the viral score. We are going to create also an area chart for total titles by year. Then we have two donut charts, one for total titles by definition and the other one by caption. Then we have a scatter plot for the relationship between the duration and the engagement rate. Then we have two bar charts, one for titles for the views per day and the other one for the channels, same thing, views per day. As usual, you can download directly the dataset on Kaggle using this link. And as you can see, it contains structured metadata and engagement statistics for YouTube videos. And also it is designed for data analysis, visualization, and machine learning tasks such as trend forecasting, recommendation modeling, and engagement prediction. So in our tutorial, we are going to use it in order to create our dashboard using some of the features. You can also find the link to download the logo that we are going to use in our dashboard. So for me, as usual, I will create a new page. You can connect your data. It will be text CSV, and once you import the data, it will be shown in here. I gave it name YT, right? It will be easier when we create the measures, and here you can see all the features. As usual, I'm going to start by creating different measures. So we start with average comment ratio in percentage, which will be equals to the average YouTube or YT, which is the dataset name, and the column, it is comments to views ratio. I multiply by 100 to get the percentage, right? So this is the column name. Then we have the average engagement in percentage, same thing, the average function, the dataset name, and here we have engagement rate column multiplied by 100. Same thing for the average like ratio, average function, YouTube, which is YT, the name of the dataset. Then we have the column name multiplied by 100. We have also total views, which is equals to the sum of the view count. We have views per day, so we use the divide function, sum of YouTube view count, and we divide by sum YouTube YT video age days. Then we have the viral score, so it is equal to the average of the engagement rate multiplied by likes to views ratio multiplied by the average comments to view ratio divided by the duration. So this is the viral score for each video. Okay, so this is for the measures. Next, we need to import our logo. So when we click on image, we select the box, format, style, image, and here we upload our image. So browse, and like that we get our logo. So we need to put it in the center, right? Now we need to add the KPIs. So create new card. The first one, it will be total views, and we need to format that. So we start with the border. It will be in black, rounded corners 20. And call out. So for the value, it will be in the center. It will be 25 in black, and decimal place is 2. For the label, same thing, it will be black 10, and position bottom. Okay. Now for the cards, don't have border. Okay. Divider also, background, and we keep it like that. Okay. Copy paste. Another one. Okay, and 3 more on the right. Okay, so the second one, it will be average engagement in percentage. We also need to modify that. So call out the value 25, center, right, black. Same thing for the label, it will be 10, bottom. And for the cards, we don't need the border and we don't need the divider. Okay, maybe here for the value, can even decrease the text. Put it 8. Same thing in here, 8. Okay, so the next one, it will be views per day. Same thing, we need to format that. 25, black, center, black, 8, bottom, without the border and the divider. For this one, we also add the border, black, 20. Next we have the average like ratio. Same thing, we need to format 25, black. Same thing for the label, 8. It will be bottom. Next we have average comment ratio. Okay. Black, bottom. And the last one, it will be the viral score. Value 25, center, black, bottom, without the border and the divider. Now we press Ctrl key. We can also increase this one a little bit. Press Ctrl key. We select all of them. Format, align, distribute horizontally. Okay, we need to put them a little bit to the left. Okay, one more time, press Ctrl key, select all of them. Format, distribute horizontally. Okay, next we have to create the two donut charts. So click on the donut chart. Okay, it will be total titles by definition. So we select definition and the count of the title. Okay, so change the title. Total titles by definition. In the center, black, 12. Now for the visual, the legend, it will be black. Same thing for the label. And also here we have the color. So slices, HD, we select black, and SD, we select this color. Okay, so we select this hex code, color, more, and paste that. Okay, so we have the same red as in the logo, and also add the border, rounded corners 20. Okay, now copy paste this one. Instead of definition, we have caption. So here we have caption. And here we remove definition and we add caption. Now we just need to modify the colors. So for false we select black, and true we select the same red. Okay, next we have the area chart. So copy paste this one. Remove everything. We select the area chart. On the x-axis we have the date as month and year, and on the y-axis we have the count of the title. Alright, now we need to remove the grid lines. X-axis we remove the title, the values in black. Same thing for the y-axis, we remove the title, black, and for the line we select color black. Okay, so here we have total titles by year. Okay, next we have the two bar charts. So we have views per day for the channels and views per day for the titles. So same thing, copy paste this one. Can increase it a little bit, so like that. So this one we have bar chart, right? It will be the channel title and views per day. Okay, now we need to format that. Remove the grid lines. For the x-axis we remove the values and the title. For the y-axis we remove the title and the values in black. Here we select 35%. For the bars they will be in black, and we add the labels. Position outside end and the values black. Okay, so here we have title, channels, views per day. So we copy paste this one. This one it will be, instead of the channel we have the title. Okay, so the title it will be titles, views per day. Okay, the last one it will be this scatter plot. So put it here. We remove everything. We select scatter plot. It will be duration and engagement rate. So don't summarize. Same thing, don't summarize. And we remove the grid lines. Now for the engagement rate, rename for this visual. We have engagement rate. Now for the markers, it will be in black. And for the title, we select duration and engagement rate. Okay, now if we close everything, we get exactly the same dashboard. Now, as usual, for the case study or the problem statement, the insights for each chart and also the insights for the overall dashboard, I put everything in the description in case you want to work on this project as case study. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope that you have learned new things. Thanks for watching and see you in next tutorial.